In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Grammarly Chrome extension. If you want a quick break from Grammarly's suggestions, need to focus on formatting without pop-ups, or you're working with sensitive text and prefer not to have extension access, disabling it in Chrome is fast and reversible. You won't remove anything permanently, you're just pausing it until you turn it back on. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From there, move your cursor to More Tools and then click Extensions. This opens the Extensions page in a new tab where Chrome lists everything you've installed. It's a simple dashboard designed to let you manage what's active in your browser. On the Extensions page, locate Grammarly. You can scroll through the list if you have several extensions installed. If you prefer, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Grammarly to jump right to it. Each extension is displayed in its own card with a name, a brief description, and a small switch that controls whether it's on or off. To disable Grammarly, click the switch next to the Grammarly extension. When the switch moves to the off position, the background will change to indicate it's no longer active. That's all it takes. You don't need to restart Chrome. The extension is now disabled and won't check your writing or display suggestions as you type. If you already had a page open where Grammarly was active, you might need to refresh that tab to clear any lingering highlights. This isn't always necessary, but it can help ensure everything updates right away. You'll also notice that the Grammarly icon may disappear from the toolbar or appear grayed out when it's disabled, which is a helpful visual confirmation. Remember, disabling is different from removing. Your settings and preferences remain saved, and nothing is uninstalled. Whenever you're ready to use Grammarly again, return to the same extensions page and click the same switch back on. Your writing suggestions will resume exactly as before. That's the full process. You opened Chrome's extensions, found Grammarly, toggled it off, and confirmed it's disabled. This gives you control over when Grammarly is active, without making any permanent changes. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, feel free to follow along with more quick, practical tips just like this.